Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to get from the LAX Transit Center to the Santa Monica Pier on the Big Blue Bus. We start the journey here at the brand new LAX Transit Center. To get here, you'll have to take a shuttle bus until the automated people mover is open, which after recent news has been delayed until the summer of 2026. If you want more info on how to ride the shuttle, watch my video here. We will be transferring here to the Big Blue Bus Line 3. And no, the Big Blue Bus is not some sort of children's show, it's the transit agency for the city of Santa Monica. The shuttle from LAX will drop you off at Bay 1 or 2, and it's a very short walk to the pickup point for the Big Blue Bus in either Bay 4 or 5. Each bus bay has digital displays with live departure times. The day I filmed this, all fares were free for California Clean Air Day, but on normal days, you can pay the $1.25 fare with a tap card. You can obtain a physical tap card through the ticket machines upstairs at the transit center, or a digital one through Apple Wallet or the Tap app for Android phones. Do note that these buses do not have luggage storage, so if you have multiple large bags, this may not be the best option for you. This is not the only option on this route. You can also take the Metro Rail K line from this transit center and connect at the Expo Crenshaw station to the E-line light rail. This will cost $1.75 and takes about an hour and 10 minutes, which is about the same amount of time as this bus, depending on traffic. This bus with no traffic takes about 45 minutes. Both routes have their pros and cons. The bus is a single seat route, so you won't have to transfer. The cons are, the route it takes is prone to traffic, so during rush hour it may take longer, and there's no luggage storage. The light rail option is not impacted by traffic and has more space for luggage, but does include a transfer, which makes you go up 2 flights of escalators/elevators and walk about 5 minutes. The bus has fairly tight legroom for someone like me who is 6'4". What it lacks in legroom is made up for by these really well padded seats. They are up there on the most comfortable city bus seats I've sat in. At the front there are these large digital information displays that shows the next stops and if someone has requested a stop. There's also free Wi-Fi, but I did not test it. In the rear of the bus you can find these sideways facing seats that have much more legroom, unless there's people sitting opposite of you. I always wondered if I could bring my golf clubs on the bus. This route runs between 4:45 a.m. to 11:50 p.m., and frequencies are between 15 minutes on non-peak and 10 minutes during peak times. On weekends, the first bus is slightly later at 5:30 a.m. The routing of this bus takes it just north of LAX and then heads north on Lincoln Boulevard through the communities of Playa Vista, which is nicknamed Silicon Beach, Marina del Rey, Venice Beach, and finally Santa Monica. To reach the Santa Monica Pier, we'll be getting off at the 4th and Colorado stop. You can also use this stop to reach some of the hotels in downtown Santa Monica or the Santa Monica Promenade. After getting off the bus, turn right to walk to Colorado Avenue. These stairs ahead lead to the E-line Metro Rail station. If that's the route you chose, I have another video showing what that journey is like, and you can watch it here. There are signs next to the street signs that you can also follow to get to the pier. It's about a 9-minute walk from the bus stop to the beginning of the pier. Walk down Colorado Avenue for a few blocks until you see the iconic Santa Monica Pier sign. As we walk down, let's learn some fun facts about the pier. It was opened in 1909 and has areas for fishing and an amusement park named Pacific Park. The pier has been featured in numerous films and television programs and is a designated city landmark. It's also the end of Route 66. So, is it worth taking the bus from LAX to Santa Monica? If you're traveling light and want to save a whole lot of money, then I would say yes, the bus is a great option for you. You will save so much more money versus using rideshare or taxi and help with climate change in the process. If you have larger luggage, then taking the light rail might be a better alternative. And if traveling with multiple people and large luggage, taking your chances with a rideshare at the much hated LAX might be the best option for you. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm off to play some amusement park games.